I think I just flattened my battery trying to start my car. This is the first really cold day of the year, and I mean, I've been having some problems getting it started, even in the summer, even in the warm, when it's been sat overnight. But yeah, it's really not starting on me now. So, and like I say, I've flattened my battery. I've been trying to diagnose this problem. I changed the relay on it, I changed my glow plugs, still no improvement. I'm like 99% sure it's a glow plug related issue. So my girlfriend's father has just gone to pick up a battery charger from his work. So we're going to stick that on the car. We'll just wait until Aid gets back with that battery charger, and we'll stick it on and see what happens. Issues here, 20 issues in all, some of which I knew I had, but yeah, but at least this is putting us on the right track, and I'm not messing around trying to find problems with the relay or the wiring, because that doesn't look like what the issue is at all. So yeah, the mystery continues. Right, so we're back home now, and we got the car on the driveway and got the bonnet up. So this is our EGR valve. Now I'm going to take this off and just make sure to see what kind of condition it's in. If it's sort of clogged up and the EGR valve is stuck open, then I know that's probably the problem. So I'll get a new part and get it replaced. But we're just going to do some sort of a bit of an investigation, make sure we are actually changing the right part and not wasting any money on parts that don't really need to be changed.
Well, that's not open anyway, because if it was, there's a big pool of it in there, and it's not coming out of there, so it's obviously not jammed open, which is good news, I guess. So we just got our EGR valve cleaned up, it's back on the car. Now it's the moment of truth. Is it going to start? Well, that wasn't much better, was it? See, that didn't quite do what we wanted it to. One thing we are going to do is go out, take it for a blast on the road, get it up to 70 and just really rev the nuts off it, hopefully blast some of that junk through, because the EGR valve was very clogged up and I'm thinking there's probably some, you know, some of that soot either side of it. So we're going to give it a good blast up the motorway. We'll come back here and then let it settle, cool down, and see if it starts any smoother then. This is my mate's garage. It's coming along alright. Should go and check his channel out. It's called Driveway Developments. You he's actually got a really cool series on there where he's turboing a 106 Peugeot 106 GTI. So go and check him out. Driving fast. Well, I guess it wasn't the EGR valve then. So the diagnostic did pick up a few other things, one of which was an open circuit on the glow plug side of things, so maybe we'll be exploring that next.